In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Lexend fonts to Google Docs, slides, and sheets. If you've heard about the Lexend family, you know it's designed to improve readability and reduce visual stress, which makes it great for documents, presentations, and spreadsheets. The good news is, you don't need to install anything on your computer. Lexend is part of Google's built-in font library, so it's a quick add right inside the app. Start by opening the Google Docs, Slides, or Sheets file where you want to use the font. The process is identical in all three apps. At the top of your screen, look for the font drop-down in the toolbar. It shows your current font name and sits near options like text size and bold. Click that drop-down to see your list of available fonts. At the very top of that menu, select More Fonts. This opens Google's full font library. Think of this window as your personal font manager. Anything you add here becomes part of your font list for your account, so it's available the next time you work in Docs, Slides, or Sheets. In the search box on the upper left, type Lexend. You'll see multiple styles in the Lexend family, such as Lexend, Lexend Deca, Lexend Exa, Lexend Giga, and more. Each variant tweaks weight and proportion, which can affect how dense or open your text feels. Click on the Lexend font or fonts you'd like to use. When you click, they're added to your My Fonts list on the right, and a check mark appears so you know they're selected. You can add several at once if you want different options for headings and body text. When you're done choosing, click OK. This saves your selections and closes the font library. Now those Lexend options are part of your regular font drop-down, right alongside your other fonts. To apply the font, highlight the text you want to change, open the font drop-down, and choose your new Lexend style. Your selected text will immediately update. If you prefer, you can also choose the Lexend font first and then start typing. Everything you type from that point on will use that font. Keep in mind that changing fonts can slightly affect spacing and line breaks, so give your document or slide a quick scan to make sure everything still looks the way you want. That's it. You've added Lexend to your font list and applied it to your content in Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets. Enjoy the cleaner look and improved readability, and feel free to experiment with different Lexend variants to find the one that best fits your style.